Next, we want to talk about the cardinal number, or sometimes it's called the cardinality. And this is the number of elements in a finite set. So the directions say find the cardinality for each set. So on 20, we have MNOPQR. So this is 6 elements. So the cardinality, or cardinal number, would be 6. On 21, it's the even numbers up to 50. So because it's just the evens, that would be half the amount of numbers. So that will be 25 elements. And then on 22, we have a set with just the number 0. But that is one element, so the cardinal number would be 1.